guess the one good thing about this thing is it has this. So like, so the more I jack this down, the bigger arc it makes.
Yeah.
Or the tighter arc. And I remember the number that I went to on the first one that we made that was right. So I know if I go to there, which is right here, I should get the same arc. The only good thing about making a mistake like this is now you have a basically perfect pattern
Yep.
to remake it off of, and it wouldn't reach the tube. So basically now the easy way to do this is to take this one that's wrong and put it back in the car.
Yeah.
And measure the gap, because it's supposed to land on a tube like this.
Yep.
But it's actually like this. So now I just put it back in and I'll measure this air gap, and then I'll just add that to this one. The gap is about 5/8. So a little bit more arch in the middle of it. Painted, and the owner is okay with us drilling, cutting, and welding on his painted body panels. 9 times out of 10, this ends up getting cut back really short.
Yep.
And then we just slip tube from here to the plate, because that makes it really easy. In order to do this in one piece, it's easy when it's a straight tube and no bends, but for this case, to get this in one piece and land on an angle cut on both sides on them plates, almost impossible. But I'm gonna try.